What if your beloved morning coffee isn't just a wake-up call, but also a hidden health hero? Or perhaps a secret stressor? For years, coffee has been a topic of debate in the health world. Today, we're cutting through the noise to reveal the scientific truth. Stay with us until the end, and you'll discover how to maximize coffee's amazing benefits while minimizing its potential downsides. Coffee is more than just caffeine. It's packed with powerful antioxidants. Think of them as your body's tiny superheroes, fighting off harmful molecules. One key player is chlorogenic acid, which studies suggest can help manage blood sugar and even reduce inflammation. These compounds are why coffee has been linked to a lower risk of certain diseases, including type 2 diabetes and some cancers. But here's the flip side: caffeine. While it boosts alertness, it also temporarily raises your body's stress hormone, cortisol. For some, especially those sensitive to caffeine, this can lead to jitters, anxiety, and even disrupted sleep. So what's the sweet spot? Research often points to 3 to 5 cups of black coffee daily for optimal health benefits. But remember, everyone is different. Listening to your body is key. Now, let's talk about making coffee work best for you. Tip number 1, time your coffee wisely. Avoid drinking it immediately after waking up. Your natural cortisol levels are highest then, and adding caffeine can create an unnecessary jolt and potential crash. Instead, wait about an hour or 2 after waking. This aligns better with your body's natural energy rhythms. Also, try to cut off caffeine intake by early afternoon to protect your sleep quality. Tip number 2, be mindful of what you add to your brew. Sugary syrups and excessive creamers can quickly turn a healthy drink into a calorie bomb. Opt for unsweetened plant-based milks, a dash of cinnamon, or a tiny bit of stevia for flavor without the hidden sugars. Tip number 3, listen to your body's signals. If you feel restless, anxious, or have trouble sleeping, you might be overdoing it. Consider scaling back your intake, or try alternating with decaf to find your personal sweet spot for energy and well-being. Coffee truly can be a superfood if consumed thoughtfully, respecting its powerful effects on your body. Small, informed changes to your coffee habit can lead to significant improvements in your energy, mood, and overall health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.